Kylie Novelli, Summer Statistics.
Hello, my name is Kylie Novelli, and this is my first statistics problem. Capital X is a discrete random variable, and this is because it is a countable variable such as 1, 2, 3 that can be placed on a number line. For part B, I took the percentage that shows up of the reservations and divided by that by the number of reservations that they needed to have in order to cover the costs of the Valentine's Day dinner. The above probability says that the probability is high since it is close to 1. Part D, I took the amount of guests that show up, the 85%, and multiplied that by the number of reservations that they would now have, and divided by that by 100, which is the number that of reservations they need in order to cover the costs. For part E, I took the number that I found in the previous and divided by that by the number of reservations that they had available. And since the number is close to 1, it is a high probability that they will need to turn some patrons away. If I were the restaurant manager, I would go with the 118 reservations in order to be able to break even with the money spent for the Valentine's Day dinner. In problem number 2, I created a histogram with the data in order to find the distribution pattern. I discovered that the distribution pattern is skewed to the right based on the body temperatures of the people involved in the study. The mean of the body temperature is 98.249 and the standard deviation is 0.733, which I found by using the binned data and calculating for the mean and standard deviation in StatCrunch. I found all of the temperatures that were below 97.8 degrees Fahrenheit out of the 130 that were collected. And since this probability of 0.215 is above 0.05, it is not unusual for someone to have a body temperature below 97.8. I created a sample of 15 by creating a random sample in StatCrunch, finding those numbers, and then writing down their body temperatures in a separate column. And I found that those 15 sample temperatures were 98.48 as the mean and 0.896 as the sample standard deviation. And of those, I found that it would not be unusual to have a body temperature below 97.8 in those 15 samples, since it was above 0.05.